Hi, in this video I want to show you how to fix in case you have a black screen on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 or A11 Plus. This could happen for many different reasons, so I'll give you different tricks. First of all, let's start with the easiest thing you can do. Take your tablet, go on the right side. Okay, this is the power button, volume down, volume up. I want you to keep press the power button and the volume down both at the same time during around 15 to 15 seconds, let's say, until you see the Samsung logo appearing on the display. This is a force reboot. Many times this is all it takes. So let's do it together. I'm pressing power button and volume down and I'm waiting to see the Samsung logo. Stay like this. Be patient. Here we go. In my case, the Samsung logo appeared. I can remove my finger, and from now on, the tablet will boot up normally. It's a bit different than just pressing the power button the usual way you're doing it. Now, if nothing is happening, there's a chance that the tablet battery is completely dead, but you don't know that. This could happen for many reasons, and one of them is, well, the charging cable that you are usually using to charge your tablet may gone bad. So what I suggest is that you take a new charger and a new cable, and if you can, use even a new outlet, okay, just to roll out this cause. Plug your tablet with a new cable, new charger, new outlet, okay, one that you know works for other devices, and leave your tablet like this at least overnight. Give it a chance to fully charge. And once you let it charge overnight, do the same thing I showed you in the number 1 method. Keep it charged, okay? Don't remove the cable, and press the power cable, volume down until you get to see the Samsung logo on the display. And this will be easy to know the cause because it will be the charging cable. Another thing that I want to check is the charging port. Over time you get lint, you get dust, you get many things inside. And if you take a look, well, maybe you don't see it well, but with a toothpick, something very small, go inside and try to simply see if there is something blocking the charging port. Over time, as I said, it gets clogged, and when you try to plug your cable, you're just pushing all this dirt deeper, and at a point your tablet won't even charge because there's too much gunk inside. I know that some people may also recommend that you go on the back of your tablet and give it a massage, press thoroughly, not too much obviously, but just enough in case something got disconnected, especially the battery or other components. You're just plugging it back. I saw some people recommending this, and it never worked for me, but hey, at this point, maybe I would recommend it. Okay, simply press really well everywhere and then try the method of power button and volume down to see if you're able to boot it up. If you have any other tricks or if one of these worked for you, I want to know. So leave a comment in the comment section, and like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.